I hope you have written it down. These are length, distance, like whenever you are going somewhere, you covering some distance, that is kilometer, meter, centimeter, like that. So length and distance, they are same, and mass, then time, then temperature, then volume. Volume we will discuss in details. Okay. What is volume? Volume is space occupied by an object. Suppose you are putting some water into a mug, या jug, या any pot, and suppose this is the water. So this water occupied this space. So anybody can say, what is the volume of water? This is the volume. Suppose we are putting some measuring measuring indicator. Then we can say, suppose this is liter, 1 liter suppose. Then what we will say, the volume of water is 1 liter. Suppose we are putting some object, suppose this is a 3D object. Okay, your house, you can say your bedroom, your study room. Suppose study room size is like this. So your study room volume is this, because the total space occupied by your study room, it is called volume. Total volume is everything. But so volume is 3D. Volume is 3D, 3 dimension. If you calculate area is a 2D. Suppose in this case, suppose your bedroom. Okay. Yeah, your study room. Okay. Your study room. Suppose you are sitting here. This is ground. This is ground, and this is wall. Okay. And this ground, this is the ground surface. It is called area because 2D. One length, one breadth. So it is 2D. But when you are just measuring the wall touching your ground, that is called height, h. So if you consider 3 lying length, breadth and h, it becomes volume. When you consider only length and breadth, the surface, this is called area. Okay, get it? 2D. So area is a 2D and volume is 3D. Suppose let us come to calculate. So how we will calculate the volume of anything? Like suppose if you have cube having equal, means length, breadth and height both are same. So what we can say, cube is one side cube. It is volume of cube. So volume of cube is one side, because all sides are equal in cube. If cube come to cuboid, it will be, because all sides are not equal. So what we can do, length into breadth into height. Getting my point? So cuboid. Then come to, suppose how we will calculate, suppose cube, one example, we can consider one example. One cube having cube having length is equal to 1 centimeter, and breadth will also be 1 centimeter because it is a cube equal length, breadth and height is 1 centimeter. So what will be the volume of cube? Volume of cube will be 1 centimeter into cube. 1 centimeter cube, sorry. It means 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter cube. So volume of cube is, if length, breadth and height is 1 centimeter, then volume of cube will be 1 centimeter cube. If it is in meter, then 1 meter cube. Also, there are a lot of problem. You have to find the solution. Centimeter cube to meter cube to centimeter cube. The unit of measurement will be different in the question. Suppose one length is given in centimeter and height is given in meter, then you have to convert that meter into centimeter, because whenever you find the volume, area, anything, you have to bring all the unit of measurement. Like if kg is there, meter is there, you have to convert. Suppose 2 are in centimeter, 1 in meter, then you have to convert that meter into centimeter. Okay, then write it down, then we will go to another 2-3 examples. Okay.